Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza masala at home. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need a good selection of ground spices, including coriander, cumin, and red chili powder. Don't forget dried herbs like oregano, basil, and a pinch of thyme for that authentic flavor. We'll also add a touch of garlic powder and onion powder to enhance the savory notes. Having everything ready makes the blending process smooth and efficient for a perfect masala. Now, let's talk about bringing out the best in your spices. Lightly roasting whole spices like coriander seeds and cumin seeds in a dry pan for a minute or two really deepens their flavor profile. Be careful not to burn them. Once roasted, spread them out to cool completely. This step is crucial before grinding. Then, combine all your roasted and unroasted ingredients in a spice grinder or a powerful blender and process until you achieve a fine, uniform powder. This ensures an even distribution of flavor. With your spices finely ground, it's time to create the perfect blend. Transfer all the powdered ingredients into a clean mixing bowl. Use a whisk or spoon to combine everything thoroughly, ensuring there are no clumps and all the flavors are evenly distributed. For a balanced taste, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Once mixed, store your fresh pizza masala in an airtight jar in a cool, dark place. It will stay fresh and potent for several weeks, ready for your next pizza night. Your homemade pizza masala is now ready to elevate your culinary creations. You can sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons directly onto your pizza sauce before adding toppings for an incredible flavor boost. For an extra layer of taste, try kneading a small amount into your pizza dough. It also works wonderfully in pasta sauces or even as a seasoning for roasted vegetables. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pizza masala.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.